Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be filming a get ready with me and a little bit of some vlogging. So right now I am just going to redo my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on my eyes. And I'm gonna dry this off. Okay, for my eyebrows, I am not using anything special. I am just using a regular pomade from the beauty supply store. So I'm going to brush my brows in place and start my brows. So today I am just going to lunch with a new friend of mine. It is hard for me to try and talk and do my brows. I don't think I'm a multitasker at all. Nope. All right, so we got that out the way. Brush it a little bit. And I'm going to move on to the other brow. I'm going to do the other brow off camera, then I'll be... Now I am just going to conceal under my brows, and I'm going to be using this NYX palette. And I like to mix this color and this color together. The two light colors at the top. I gotta hurry up too, so I won't be late. I'll probably talk more when I get in the car because I'm literally trying to rush. Okay, then I just like to use my finger to blend. Blend, blend, blend. But I feel like I need to add, because this brow over here looks skinnier. Yeah, I messed this up. I'm sorry. I should have just... Why do I keep messing with this brow? Jesus. I'm gonna go back over it with some concealer on this side. All right. All right. Then I like to take my finger again. I like using my finger a lot when I'm doing makeup on me. And then I just like to go on top a little bit. Go under the bottom, because I do have dark circles. And then I just pat a little bit. Pat, pat, pat. Then I'm going with the other eye. I am trying to hurry up, y'all. Literally. So I might speed some of this video up. To be honest with y'all. When I edit it. Okay. And then I'm going to get a little bit of my Sasha that my freaking daughter ruined. And then I'm gonna put that on my eye. Oh, shoot. And we just gonna use that to blend. Okay. All right. 1 sec. All right, so I am just going to brush the hair back. I might have to, I don't know, I might not have to. And then I'm just going to use this black headband that I've been using. And I am going to tie this around like so. I literally have to hurry up. And I'm going to push it back like this because I don't want the sides coming out. Okay, guys, so now I am going to do my lipstick. And I am using the same brush that I use for my eyebrows. A little bit more on this side. Okay. And today I'm going to be using this red, is this matte? Yes, matte lip from Black Radiance. I was trying to make it like an ombre. But I'm gonna go over it. Okay. And now I am going to put my lashes on and I'll be back to show you guys my outfit. Okay guys, so this is my outfit that I'm wearing. I got this jacket from Fashion Nova. I got these jeans from Shop Akira, Gucci belt. My heels are from Fashion Nova. My top is from Fashion Nova. And then my purse is from Aldo. So yes, this is my outfit. This is how my face, I just did like a little simple look. Eyes, red lip to go with the red letters. Ooh, ignore that. And then my top. And then I put some earrings on to bring out the gold in my belt and my purse. So yes, this is my outfit. I hope you guys like it. It's cute and simple, and I'll see you guys when I get there, or I might talk a little bit in the car. Bye. Okay guys, so I am in my car finally. I was literally rushing, but I'm only going to be about 4 minutes late, so that's not bad. That's not bad. I'm usually not a late person. I try not to be, but I gotta start just getting up super early to, you know, because I take a long...
Turn right onto Rockside.
Sorry, y'all. Sorry. I take a long time to get ready, so it's like I feel like I gotta start getting up super early to oh, I forgot to press this down, to start getting ready or whatever. But yes, I am on my way to lunch with a new friend of mine. This is actually our 4th time going to lunch with each other, and each time are nothing but literally good times, positive energy.
In 2.1 miles, turn left onto Warrensville Center Road.
Yeah, positive energy and stuff like that. And we are literally almost the same person. It's crazy. It's literally crazy. By the way, we both are Cancers, so shout out to the Cancers out there. But yes, we both are Cancers. We both are like very like-minded. Goals are like the same. Like, it's just crazy. It's good. But yeah, we are on our way to lunch, so I'm going to meet her, and I decided to do like a get ready with me type vlog, and she's going to do the same. Actually, neither one of us really vlogs, but we decided it would be fun to do for the both of us, to do like a little vlog, little thingy, you know, lunch and stuff like that. So yeah, I will come back to the camera. So yeah, I will be back when I get there, you guys. And yeah, and we're gonna take pictures and show our food and drinks and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys when I get back. Bye. Okay guys, so I am here with Celia.
I'm gonna just let her say it.
I am here with Celia, and we are on our way to, what is it, Condados. This is your first vlog, right?
One of the first.
Okay, I think I did one, but I didn't really do it. But yeah, this is our first real vlog, and we are on our way to Condados. Doesn't she look so cute? She's so cute. So yes, we are on our way to get some tacos, and I am excited. It is hot out here, maybe because I got on all black.
It feels good.
I think because I got on all black, or maybe just because I was rushing.
I don't know. It's gonna be too cold.
Yeah, but when we get in there, we'll show our food and drinks and everything. So I'll see you guys when we get in the restaurant. Okay guys, so this is what we ordered, and this is called the Skywalker nachos, and Celia got the same thing.
Yes, and it's so good.
So good. Oh, and we both got Long, did you get a Long Island? We both got Long Island. So yep, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what we're eating. So see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, and I am back from lunch. We had a great time at lunch, like we always do. Great times, and the food was delicious, and we both ended up taking our food to go because we did not finish. I didn't finish because I just talk too much. Once I get to talking, I just talk. But the food was delicious. We both had Long Islands. They were delicious, and yeah, it was a good time. Like always, positive vibes, good vibes. And now I am on my way going to get Josie from school. And yeah, I just wanted to come on here and update you guys how the day went. We talked, and yeah, we just had regular girl time. So yeah, I can definitely, this wind just will not let my hair be great. But I just got Josie, y'all. But yeah, so yeah, I had a good time, and I cannot wait to see where this friendship goes when I know it's gonna go. Just like she mentioned in her video. But yeah, and I'm gonna put her channel below, so you guys make sure you go subscribe to my girl Hazel Goddess. She makes bomb ASS natural curly hairstyles. Literally all of them are bomb. When I say bomb, they're bomb. All of them, can't go wrong. Yeah, so for all my natural hair lovers, and she does like try on hauls and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys make sure you go to subscribe to her and stay tuned for some more cute uploads from me and her in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me / vlog. Bye.